Hi guys, I'm Nabiilabee. If you're new here, hi. So welcome to my channel where I just create content on everything I love: fashion, beauty, motherhood, baby, interior, just everything I'm doing in my life. I just create videos on things I love. If you are returning, then hi guys, hope you're all well. So today's video is going to be a baby haul. I ordered some stuff online from Asda and I thought, well, I got quite a few pieces, why not do a haul? And I'll show you all the pieces. There's quite a few things and I've still tried to keep everything with all their hangers and everything. Jasmine's only worn one outfit, which I'll insert a picture in here. Most of these pieces I got to wear at home. She finally suits dresses because for the longest time she just didn't look nice in dresses and I couldn't dress her up in them. Now she can, so I thought I need some home dresses and I ordered a few off Asda because honestly, like, I'm just not feeling any other websites right now. Like, there's River Island, but I don't like their dresses right now. They're too good, like they're too fancy to be wearing them at home, and I like comfortable cotton dresses for home. So the first dress I got is from, they've got like a few different brands within Asda George. I guess it's like different designers just come on and create collections for them, and this is, I love this one. This is a Maca Moon. Yes, it's called Maca Moon. If you haven't heard of this brand yet, you should definitely check it out. They do cute baby clothes. I bought a few other pieces from them as well, and I got this in a size 12 to 18. She is 18 months, but she is currently wearing 12 to 18 because she's quite small. And yeah, so this is a little dress and it's just super cute and it's a really good quality cotton. It's like a cotton jersey, a little bit like, it's like a stretchy cotton, and it's so pretty, and it comes with these matching leggings. I love it. I will probably put her in like grey tights with this, but it's so cute. And the trousers, the quality of Maca Moon stuff is amazing. The quality of Asda itself is really good. Then I'm going to show you two of my favorite pieces, and I'm really gutted that I actually got these in a 12 to 18 because it means she can't wear them yet, but it's a good thing because she needs some for later. Don't want her to grow out of them really fast. They've got this new brand called Billy by Billy Fairs. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but let me show you this brand. Oh, I didn't mention how much the other outfit was. So that was £8. Is this my first baby haul video? This may be my first baby haul video. Let me know how I did and let me know what I need to improve on. I'm really sorry, I'm just feeling really ill right now, so I'm not like feeling 100. This was £16, this dress, but it's so gorgeous and it's really well made. It is really big though. I feel like even though it's a 12 to 18, I feel like it's a 2. Like, it's definitely for 2-year-olds rather than 18 to 24. Let me show you the back. This is what the back looks like. It's super pretty. It's got this frill detail on the shoulders, and then it's like a skirt detail on the back, like a dungarees skirt detailing there. There's some tights as well. The tights are really nice quality, and it's got this super cute Peter Pan collar, which is like that. It's just such a gorgeous dress, and I feel like this is definitely, Mia's got this really like old school vibe. I feel like that's what suits her. And then I bought this dress. So this is for now, but it is a little bit big for her. This is 12 to 18 months, and this is £8, and it's just a really simple, oh, I should just go back a bit to show you guys. Really simple grey knitted fine knit dress with some detailing at the neck and at the bottom. Another Billy Faye, I hope I'm saying it right. With this brand, it is exclusive to just Asda George, and it's this dress. So that pink dress that I got from Billy before, this is like a going out dress, but this one I feel like it's going to be like a home outfit or like a super casual outfit. It comes with this super cute fur waistcoat, which looks like this. This was £18. I'm surprised this is more expensive than the other one, because I actually prefer the other one, but I guess it's because of the jacket. I wasn't really fussed about the jacket. I don't really put her in jackets like this. It also comes with matching tights, which is amazing. I love dresses that come with tights, because I then won't wear those tights until she's worn the dress. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is quite big, but I feel like it's a little bit smaller than the other one. She definitely won't be wearing this till the summertime because it's so big. Next is, so this is the last of the fancier dresses. This is 12 to 18. I actually didn't realize this dress comes with this whole suit, because when I was looking at it on the website, it kind of just showed the dress. I think it showed the waistcoat, but I was like, yeah, whatever. But it comes with like a matching turban, which is super cute. Then it's got black tights, which is amazing because I've been looking for black tights everywhere and haven't been able to find any. For £10 and you get 4 pieces, I think it's really good. Like, that's usually how much you'd get just for a dress and like tights. So I really like that. This is the print of the dress. The dress is in this, is it cotton jersey again? Let me just double check quickly. It's actually 100% cotton, but it is like a stretchy cotton. I do really like this waistcoat. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. I just literally bought this for her to wear around the house if we have people coming over. I don't like her being in dresses all the time because I know it can be uncomfortable, but I do also want to dress her up at home as well, which actually doesn't last very long because she ends up eating and just getting food all over her clothes. Then I picked up these two, and I loved everything that oh, these are from Matalan, that's why. I absolutely love Matalan baby clothes, but after ordering these dresses online, I've just realized that you really have to go in store and have a look. I love their home section. I've bought a lot of stuff from their home section, but you really need to go in store because these dresses were kind of not what I was expecting. So the first one is like this, and this was £8, and the second one was like this, and this was £7. They're both 12 to 18. No, this is 12 to 18. This one's 18 to 24. But I am going to keep them because these are just, the quality is really, really good. They're 100% cotton, 100% viscose. And I just thought when it gets really hot and we're just having a casual day or she's in the garden, these would be so nice. And I think for a hot casual day, they're just really cute prints. It's kind of not me, but it is like, it's kind of old Nabiilabee, but at the same time it's not. So that's the end of my first haul. So all the items were from Asda, and the last 2 dresses were from Matalan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For some reason, I was a little bit more nervous filming a baby clothing line. I don't know whether it's because I'm like coming down with a cold, so I'm just feeling a little bit groggy and just not 100. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys the stuff. If you guys like these kind of videos, please let me know down below in the comment box. Let me know if you want to see more hauls. Let me know what kind of hauls you want to see, what kind of products you want me to talk about. I would love to know. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!